the least thing you can do for yourself, that to believe in yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditi Sharma and I make video on fashion, lifestyle, beauty and fashion education. So if that makes you interested, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, yes, today's video is going to all about NIFT, what is NIFT and how I got into NIFT and all of that stuff, which many of you asked me in my DM, so I thought to address it here. So yes, before starting video, let me tell you what is NIFT. So NIFT is basically a National Institute of Fashion Technology, and NIFT is one of the fashion premier institute in India. And yes, there's a lots of confusion between people. I have heard that whether NIFT is government or private because fees is so high. So I want to address them that no, NIFT is government college. So this is all about NIFT. Also, the biggest myth is that those who go into the NIFT, they are a fashion designer. But I want to address it here. No, it's not like that. मैंने कितने लोगों को सुना है बोलते हुए तुम निफ्ट में हो तो तुम फैशन डिजाइनिंग करते हो, मेरे लिए कपड़ा बना देना. No, it's not like that. It's more than that. Fashion designing is just one part of the NIFT. It's not the whole NIFT. So there comes a variety of courses under the NIFT, graduation and master and diploma too. So yes, NIFT is not all about fashion designing, but yes, fashion designing comes under the NIFT. Just simple way, fashion design एक course है NIFT के अंदर. That's all. And the next questions which comes to me, whether I am pursuing masters, graduation, BDS or BFTech. I am pursuing graduation BFTech, that is Bachelor in Fashion Technology from NIFT Gandhinagar in Gujarat. So yes, that's where I am studying right now, and I have just finished with my first semester, and second semester is like starting from tomorrow. So I was so much busy with all of my NIFT stuff. I was not having any time to make a video on that, and you guys were requesting since a long time. So sorry for that. But now I am making. I hope it would be helpful for you all in some way. I hope so. So yeah, the next questions which comes to me, whether I did join a coaching or not. So yes, I want to address it here. Yes, I did join a coaching in Design Square in my city only, in Prayagraj. And the faculty, what to say about them? They were so helpful. Like, they were always there for us. Literally, the faculty which I got there, I don't think I can ever get anywhere. They were so helpful. And each and every senior of Design Square and the faculty in Design Square was so helpful. Also, it's not any sponsored video, just sharing my feeling with you all. And just sharing that yes, I did join a coaching. I think it was the best decision I have ever taken. Also, if you guys are interested in joining a coaching or some guidance, you can definitely prefer this number. It's the Design Square coaching number. So yes, if you can prefer, if you want. And the next question which comes to me, ki like I am in 12th and whether I would be able to crack NIFT or not, or whether I would be able to crack NIFT without a coaching or not. I would tell you that it's not like that. If you join a coaching, then only you can crack. It's not so hard, and it's not like that अगर आप coaching join करोगे तो आप crack ही कर लोगे. It totally depends on you. I mean it totally. It's not कि आप coaching join करने का मतलब होता है कि आपका NIFT में selection हो जाएगा, फिर NIFT में selection का मतलब होता है coaching join करना. It's not like that. It totally depends on you. If you are confident enough that yes, I can do it and I do not need any guidance of coaching, of course you go ahead and start with that. Also, I did join a coaching because I feel like it's my just a personal experience that having a coaching or having a teacher just give you one direction that where to go, and you will not experiment with a lots of stuff. So yes, I did feel कि I have joined a coaching, and I do not have any regret. But yes, if you have enough confidence, then go ahead. No one is stopping you. Just go ahead. You can do it better. And also for all of those students who are in 12th right now and they are confused what to focus on, whether on NIFT or on board, but right now keeping the situation in mind, and like पहले आपका NIFT का एग्जाम होगा and उसके बाद बोर्ड का एग्जाम होगा, so you have a sufficient time to to go with your boards, and also I hope so कि आप लोग अभी तक पढ़ रहे होगे बोर्ड्स के बारे में, ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ नहीं. तो what I would suggest कि वैसे भी because of pandemic you really very lucky that you are in home 24/7 and like आपको रोज रोज स्कूल नहीं जाना है एंड आपको कोचिंग नहीं जाना है, आपके काफी सारे टाइम सेव होते हैं. when I was preparing कि कोचिंग जाने में ही मेरा 2 घंटा वेस्ट हो जाता था एंड देन कब करता था एंड मेरा कॉलेज भी था, सो आई हैव टू मैनेज बोथ द साइड. ये टाइम बहुत लकी है, बहुत प्रेशियस है फॉर यू ऑल गाइज दैट यू आर इन होम 24/7 and no one is going to disturb you. You don't have to travel, you don't have to go to school and all of that stuff. So yes, you can utilize this time very well manner, and I really feel if you do this hard work in just the days left, you can definitely crack out NIFT. It's not so hard, it's not so easy. You just need to do hard work and you need to be focused and no other option for you all guys. So the next question which most of you asked me, that what to prepare and what to focus on it, like for BDS whether to focus on GAT or CAT, and for BFTech in GAT which part to focus more. So for BDS I would like to address that I do not have much idea about BDS, but yes I have learned from my friend, those who are my BDS friend in my coaching. So they were used to send me, or my teacher used to say to them that ki focus more on CAT but not just leave GAT, like you have to focus on both, whether on CAT or GAT. Just give more time to CAT compared to GAT, but take it equally, because you know that 30% is of your GAT and 50% of your CAT, and if you want a good college you could not ignore any of them. So yeah, that's the answer for you all guys. And for my BFTech friend I would like to suggest you that like there is many sub topic. I know आपको अभी तक तो पता चल गया होगा because एग्जाम अगले महीने है 14 तारीख को, I think महीना भी नहीं बचा है now. There is also for BFTech there is only one exam, that is GAT, and it is of 100%. So yes, BFTech के पास एक ही अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है एंड उसी में आपको अपनी पूरी एनर्जी एंड पूरा दिमाग पूरा फोकस लगाना पड़ता है एंड यू हैव टू क्रैक इट. You have no other option. I would just say just believe in yourself and you will be achieving. Just believe in yourself at least at the day of the exam. So talking about what to focus right, like exam pass में आ रहे तो focus more on maths, second focus on reasoning, third focus on all of that English stuff which you have done yet. Just I would say just revise it, do not do anything new because no time is left. Just please do not do anything new. This is the least I can request with you all. So yes, do not do anything new in English. Just revise what you have done till yet, whether it's antonyms, synonym, idioms, and yeah, then you are good to go. Just revise for English, for not just for English, for whole the syllabus. Just revise because no time is left. But yeah, do not touch new thing. That's the most important thing for I think I could give you. And for the case study, I hope you guys were reading the Times of India, because if you would be reading that, then the case study is very easy. You do not have to put lots of effort to understand it. I've read Times of India. If you do not just try to solve the case studies, last year sample papers case study, it would definitely work out for you. Trust me, it's not so tough, it's so easy. You just need to work hard and focus on yourself. So yes, I guess I have covered all of that stuff, syllabus in BFTech, and I will be uploading next video on NIFT very soon, and it's all about the NIFT syllabus of BFTech and what to prepare as exam is coming closely, which topic to be focused more and which topic should not be focused more. I would be making that video on my next NIFT series, so if that makes you interested, then do subscribe so that you do not miss my video, and it's so important for you all guys. So yeah, the next question which many of you ask me, how have you motivated yourself for cracking NIFT? Like सीरियसली एग्जाम पास में आ रहा है, पैनिक बहुत ज्यादा होता है कि होगा, लाइक कभी कभी ऐसा फील होता है कि या आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड ऑल ऑफ द स्टफ, आई वुड बी क्रैकिंग, एंड द अदर टाइम यू फील नहीं मेरा ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, मेरा नहीं होने वाला. ट्रस्ट मी, व्हेन इट कम्स दैट I always feels you guys, because trust me, मैं भी कभी कभी ऐसा फील करती थी कि नहीं होने वाला, फिर कभी होता था कि जब सामान लगता था सर पे हो जाता. but the least thing you can do for yourself, that to believe in yourself. So yes, please do believe in yourself. Just think that you know everything, whether you do not know. Just believe that you know everything. If you do not do, don't panic. Just try to understand what's the concept. Just do not panic and do not think, okay, मेरे को ये भी नहीं पता, ये भी नहीं पता, वो भी नहीं पता. Just don't do that. There's no one जिसको सबको सब कुछ पता है. So my last tip would be just revise and believe in yourself. The most important thing. And sorry for the light. I do not notice कि बहुत ज़्यादा light आ रही है. I'm sorry for that. I hope you guys have understood what I wanted to say to you all. Yeah, so stay tuned for my next video. I will be uploading soon, like I guess after 3 to 4 days. No, I will be uploading soon. And if you have any doubt regarding this, then don't forget to comment down below. I would definitely address on my next NIFT series. So yes. And yes, next video आपको पता है ना कौन सी होने वाली है NIFT series पे, BFTech and BDS का course and what to focus on more. I hope I have made clear, and if you think that it's helpful, then don't forget to like this video. Also share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye guys, and see you in my next video. And yes, believe in yourself, you can do it.